content day, babe. This is our first video together. Jesolo is our name, right? And we're going to the beach. I sound a little crazy because I'm actually sick a little bit, but we're excited.
Little night out.
I know, we went out yesterday for a friend's birthday and we got a little tipsy.
Where are we going?
We're going to Jesolo Beach. That's where we're going. And we have our little Kairucho Papucho here too. And yeah. Alright. Quick little update because Kairucho Papucho is actually the cutest little thing ever. And he just loves to stay on my lap like this. He's a little lap dog. So I just wanted to show them. But it's a really nice weather today, so we're excited. Cairo. Right now at the beach, the weather looks really nice. It's like not too windy. I'm eating actually McDonald's. My man is coming over there. That's the vibe. Alright, we're at the beach. It's actually so nice and peaceful. And Kairucho is doing his big one. Y'all gotta see how much Kairo loves other dogs. Show you guys my nails that I just did. They're cute, but they're not my best work.
Where are we going, June? Yes.
Well, thank you. Thank you for bringing it to mommy. Bibbidi bobbidi boo. Hey. 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 Bibbidi bobbidi boo.
Brava, brava di tu.
Bibbidi bobbidi boo.
Of course I know, Paco, bro. I want to put my. So the guys are just talking to each other. Game is like that. Talking about treatment. They both have an injury on the knee. And my little girl. No, this is my little dog. Hey! Hello! Say something. Hello? Let me see you. Let me see you. Wow, this camera is nice. Che stupido. Ho mandato un messaggio. You can use Tinder on vacation, bro. You can use Tinder, find a new girl every day.
No, I'm saying I accept applications for my +1 to Ragusa.
Okay.
Okay,
So what is it? I don't know.
Okay, so
Hello everyone. So we just finished from the.
hold on. Okay, there, I focused.
We're coming back home after the beach.
Yeah, the beach day. It was so much fun.
Yeah. Which was a
And
lot of fun now. He's sleeping.
yeah, he's in my lap right now, sleeping. And Giannino is
I'm
driving at
tired
the moment.
a little bit.
You
so
tired?
tonight we eating Korean food.
Yes, I can't wait to go eat at the Korean because it's actually my favorite place ever. But they're missing this hot dog. If you know, you know. And this restaurant has been running out of this hot dog for like every time we go there to eat. They never have it.
Right.
And it's so annoying,
Yeah.
right?
Right. You need to be lucky to find it.
Yeah, but it's so bad because the first year when they would go there, they never had this problem.
Right.
So I'm like, what's going on?
Yeah.
What's going on?
But yeah. You maybe will see the food too.
You see, my eyes look brown on the
Yeah,
sunlight.
Mine.
Anyways,
I wanted to remember everyone to subscribe at the channel if
Oh,
you like
yes.
this type of content, so we know we'll do it more. We can try to do more. So this is our first video, so we're still learning how to do this stuff, how to make a good content.
yes,
So let us know in the comment too.
exactly. Let us know because we really want to give y'all good content, and yeah, that's it and that's all. Okay, and Joe is out.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.